I think that the last concert that you did in Slovenia was in Kranjska Gora, 2005, something like that. Do you remember that concert? How are your memories about Slovenia?
My favourite concert I remember is one that was done in an old in Ljubljana in a Roman amphitheatre.
That was like before 2005, wasn't it?
Yeah, long before. But that's my favourite one. Do you remember that one?
Yeah.
The amphitheatre, Roman style thing. That was a beautiful place. Yeah.
But do you remember the one in Kranjska Gora? Or I remember it was like really cold. It was there in the winter.
A little bit muddy. I remember. Yeah, I remember it waiting in a very cold dressing room to play. But the gig was good.
And also I remember one thing. I was a bit younger then though, but I remember a lot of people were smoking marijuana then. So how is that with you?
Really?
Really?
Oh, we never have played it if we didn't know.
No. I just want to ask you, are you okay with that, or are you for legalizing it, or?
We're called Asian Dub Foundation, go figure.
Well, you know, we can say that marijuana grows out of the ground, you know, and personally I think alcohol is much worse.
I'd agree, yeah.
You know, alcohol is man-made. Loads of chemicals in it, you know, but something that grows out of the ground is natural.
You can do lots of other things with it as well. Make rope and clothes, all kinds of stuff. Medicine, yeah. It's a gift, really.
For arthritis.
Yeah. It's a gift, really.
Okay, so your last album is called Living a History of Now. And I was thinking perhaps also this applied to this kind of stuff when people like keep on filming and taking photos on the concert.
It's the history of now, baby.
So,
well, where's reality? Everything's filmed now. Absolutely everything is filmed. It's like maybe nothing happens anymore because everyone's just filming it.
so you think people are not enjoying the concert as much as they could because they're just taking photos all the time or just taking videos all the time?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't say that. No,
I'm just asking you.
What I said was like, perhaps it's a bit complicated. I don't know. The idea is if everyone's filming something all the time, you've got to have something to film. But if you're constantly filming, there's going to be eventually nothing to film. What have you got to film if everyone's filming? You can only film other people filming.
Exactly, I'm filming.
Yeah, like what he's doing now. In fact, he's proving the point. We're making a very deep point here. And we're demonstrating it with Actari. Yeah.
And you're also quite a big group. So I'm just wondering how important is for you to have good technical stuff with you from sound technicians and everything, because you're also mixing a different part of types of music.
Yeah, no, that's interesting. I don't think we've ever been asked anything like that before in our entire career, but that's so important, yeah.
They're all part of the team. Everyone makes the team and everyone's got a little role to play. So some people you don't see them on stage, but you know, they're working just as hard as we are. You know?
Yeah, and they couldn't. The gig couldn't happen without that. And we have got an unconventional lineup, so that does cause extra technical requirements. You know.
So when people are saying the name Asian Dub Foundation, you consider the whole group with the technical stuff together?
Well, I'd certainly say someone like Philippe Dubiche, you know, who's the sound man. Or I mean, you know,
they're part of the Asian Dub Foundation live team.
Yeah.
When we're on the road, when we're doing live shows, they're part of the Asian Dub Foundation team. Everyone is, from the tour manager to every technician.
Then obviously that changes when we're rehearsing or when we're writing songs or when we're in the studio. It would be a different team.